Hi guys, I want to show you how to make an easiest drag and drop component. So here I prepared 4 boxes that we will be dragging, or at least some of them. They look like that. And now let's implement the very drag and drop component. For that we need several states. First state is whether or not we are dragging now. Next two states are for X and Y translates. We need to change them when we are dragging the mouse and then use them to change transform style. That's how we will move the boxes, or whatever you want actually. Boxes are just for example here. And the last state is gonna be initial mouse position. It's gonna be object and has 2 fields, X and Y. At the bottom, we return the div with whatever the children will be. And this div will have dynamic styles with transform translate. We need to listen on mouse down event in order to know when dragging is started. To set the state is dragging to true. We also need to know when dragging is finished, and for that we will use mouse up event on window. And guys, don't forget to remove event listeners like this, because otherwise you will get memory leaks and maybe other problems. So now we know when dragging is started and when it's finished. And I forgot to set initial mouse position when dragging is started. For that we can use client X and client Y fields from event object. Now, last thing we need to do is to calculate the X and Y translates. And for that we are gonna use effect with is dragging and initial mouse position as dependencies. If we are dragging, we need to listen for mouse event. The callback for this is gonna be on mouse move. And again we have to remove event listener when we don't need it anymore. And here in callback we are gonna calculate our translates. It should be xTranslate plus event client x and minus initial mouse position dot x. And the same for y. That's it for component, it's done. Now we can try it out. Let's copy the name of it and paste somewhere here. Now move the first box between opening and closing tags. And let's do the same for fourth box. Now go to the browser to check if it works. And yes, it's working. On video it may look a bit slow because of recording, but actually it's working pretty fast. That's it for today. I would be very glad if you like and subscribe. Have a nice day.